Yeah, what kind of soldier?
Military soldier.
And when you see the boy, them, what you go call him?
Pussy, come here.
Make up the face. Say, boy, me kill you, man.
Working at this over working, girl, I want you lean back, lean back, and let me beat it from the back now. Lean back, and let me knock it from the back. I wanna.
Wow.
You gotta be a tough motherfucker to wake up broke and just lay there.
If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You could have anybody, any money more. Cause when you a boss, you can do what you want.
Police officer, boy, kill you. Fuck you, boy. Okay, oh, I cut up your fuck. Hey, Javi, you better tell him how name, yeah? You better tell him how name, Phantom, yeah? I cut up in blood clot. Oh, I suck my mother already, boy. You never suck your mother yet, boy. Run your mouth, your grandmother money, boy. Go look, here's the bill, boy. Batty, boy. You ugly like pussy, boy. Pay him out, you have, boy. Pussy, boy. Sell me a weed, I'm saying. Pussy, boy. Pay him out, you know. Pussy, me come look here and kill you. Alright, come on, put me in a pussy.
Hey, be able to say, hey, yo! Yo, be able to say.
Hey, better go on and look. Cover up your blood clot. I make a run gas station in the morning. Fuck your mama, boy. You have none. Pussy. Yeah, boy, you know me. I'll be about your body, boy. Alright.
Yo, they at your fuck dogs a bad boy.
Call me now, bad man. Hear that? Do the right thing. Call me now, father. Hear that? Because you must feel like I don't know if I come kill her right now. No. Call me now, no. Don't think I don't know if I in a pussy. Don't think I don't know if you start sleep because you had no big pussy. Hear that? You don't even know enough pussy. You don't even know how much time you drive.